So traders, I want to do a quick little update on Bitcoin. And for the short term, I've always seen Bitcoin being top heavy. But today, I'm going to be sharing with you why, on a technical basis, we could actually see a $200,000 Bitcoin. I never thought you'd hear me say those words, but let me just share with you what I'm seeing. Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, so let me just share this with you. How this all came about was I was doing some analysis with my private coaching group, with my private client group. I have a group of coaching clients that I help every single day and also every single week. I do live weekly coaching sessions with them and even sometimes daily as well too. And I was talking to my private clients that I'm helping every day and helping them to trade and I'm going over their trades and so on and so forth. And I'm helping them every single day. And the one thing is interesting is that we're looking at Bitcoin. I was actually doing it today, or as the market closed today anyway. The market is actually, or the Bitcoin's never closes, but the stock market's closed. And the interesting thing is that I was looking at the charts like this with Bitcoin. So I was looking at this on the daily chart with Bitcoin, and we can see Bitcoin's actually making a very nice move up. So I actually said, you know what, we could be getting very toppy here if we fail here. Well, it hasn't actually failed yet. We've got this one big stair step, second stair step here overall. So we could be getting ready, obviously, for a very big move up. Now, there's either two things there's a few things that I'm seeing here right now, but the big picture that I'm seeing on Bitcoin is this. If I bring up a monthly chart, and if I make this auto, with that, yeah. If I bring up this monthly charts, look at this here. This is just nuts, right? It started at 12,000 and bam, 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 all the way up. Now, don't worry about these lines here because I'm going to do something in just a minute. But one of my sort of coaching clients said, oh, John, look at the log chart. And when I actually brought up the log chart, I'm like, oh, isn't that a sexy beast? Right? Isn't that a sexy beast? And so when I saw this, I'm like, oh, interesting. And so we can see here that Bitcoin obviously had this support line. But if you connect the high point back here in 2013 to the high point back in 2017, you get this trend line. And if I open up my charts a bit more, squeeze up my charts a bit more, and bring it up to the top of this trend line, this could be 170,000 up to potentially even 200,000 if it overshoots above this line. So if we keep going, and if we keep going, and if we keep going, then we could be getting ready for one of these another moves to the upside. Now, let's do this here for a minute. Let's actually do something here. Let's actually go to the 20 and let's actually make that a bit smaller. Let's go to a 10. I'm just going to do something here for a minute to see if I can notice something. Now what I'm trying to do here now, guys, is I'm just trying to do something here just for a minute. And yeah, we can see I'm just maybe even 5. Yeah, that'd be pretty cool, right? Maybe 5. Yes, there's the 5. Look, what I'm doing here, guys, is I'm using this 5 moving average, and I'm just trying to see this here. But look what happened. We actually stayed above all the way up this 5 until we closed below. Look what's happening now. We're staying all the way up, so we're still in a very, very, very big bullish. Now, these are monthly charts, guys, so it takes a whole month for bar to finish. So I was just seeing what the sort of the moving average would sort of produce here. But as you can see, right, if we end up having a projection based on this level here, then Bitcoin could end up at, to me, that just sounds nuts, right? Because when you see this on the charts here, you're like, oh, it's actually not that far away. If I go to my daily charts now, and if I bring up the auto here for a minute and squeeze up my charts, well, that's where up here is obviously where Bitcoin could be getting ready to go for another run to the upside. So it's very, very interesting, guys, to see once again that Bitcoin could be getting ready for an enormous move to the upside. Let me know what you think in the chat box below, guys. Also, guys, if you like help with your trading, I'm running a flash sale, $7 to my breakthrough trading course. I think it's about 12 videos long, 8 videos long. You're gonna learn, my number one trading technique, or my number one chart reading technique. You're gonna be learning. Let me just bring this up here. I'm just bringing up some on the screen. You're going to be learning the 10K per month plan, charting boundaries, my powerful reversal method. You're going to be learning the ultimate trading system. You're going to be learning, let me just bring this up here for a minute. Right, this is actually the page here. You're going to be learning the top daily mistakes, 10K per month plan, powerful reversal method, the ultimate trading system, blast off trading system, number trading, all this sort of stuff. And as you can see, it's just $7 and you get a 30-day money back guarantee. So go to johnsflashsale.com to grab that, guys. And I'll see you guys real soon.